So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and in this video I'm going to do a cute little abstract, a lot of designs on one set. In this set I'm going to do something cute. It's gonna be cute. Okay, so before we go ahead and watch this video, let's go first to my socials. If you're not following me yet, go ahead, follow me, and then come back and let's dive right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to clip down the natural nail before doing everything, the prep or applying the nail tips. I'm doing that, and after that I'm going in with my cuticle pusher and I'm pushing back the cuticles. Next, when I'm done with this part, I'm going in with my cuticle diamond bit to clean the cuticle area and all the dead skin around the cuticle. I use my e-file on like around a 5 or 6 for this part of the manicure. And yeah, make sure you don't file into the cuticle or in the nail plate, but on the nail plate, and don't damage the cuticles because you don't want to be hurting your clients, okay? Next, I'm going in with my cuticle scissors and I'm cutting the dead skin around the cuticle. Make sure you don't cut the skin that's still alive. Make sure you cut only the dead skin around the cuticle, otherwise you will be having bleeding cuticles, and that's not nice and not professional, and you don't want to be having any clients with any infections or anything, okay? Now I'm using my mini sanding band with my mini mandrel bit to get the shine off the natural nail. I think I'm using a 180 for this part. Next, I'm using our extra long C-curve square nail tips. I'm applying all the nail tips on all the nails. After I've applied all the nail tips, I'm using my nail clipper to already cut the shape. I'm going for a almond shape, already getting the shape into the nail, so I don't have to file a lot. So these nail clippers are a must when you're cutting a almond shape. It's so easy. And next I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. Next, I'm using my barrel bit to blend the nail tip into the natural nail, and make sure you only file on the nail tip and not on the natural nail. Okay, so next I'm spraying our nail prep to dehydrate and clean the natural nail plate, and using a little manicure brush to clean the nail plate. So this is just my holy grail. Don't mind the bottles, but this is just the perfect combination so your nails will stay. I'm using the dehydrator from Mia Secret first, then the nail or the primer from Mia Secret, then our Super Bond and our primer. Girl, these nails are not going anywhere. Just love this combination. Next, I'm using a thin layer of clear acrylic, and I'm using my Kolinsky brush number 12. So now I'm going in with our pinky cover color. I'm applying it on all the nails. This color is at the moment out of stock, but I will be restocking soon. So I'm so sorry that I didn't post last week. I want to post once a week now, but I was so busy filming the online courses, and now I'm editing the online courses. I'm just a perfectionist, so I had to redo some parts of the courses. It's just a lot, but I'm enjoying the process. And because of you guys have asked me this so long, now I'm making the online courses. So bear with me. That's why I didn't post last week. But if you're still here and watching, let me know by commenting a yellow heart in the comment section down below. And if you're not following me yet, but you're still here, go ahead and follow and also turn your notification bell on. So this is how the nails look after application. And next I'm going in with my barrel bit to smooth down the surface of the nail. And when I'm done doing this part, I'm going in with my cuticle carbide bit to seal the cuticles. So next I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. So a lot of people have problems filing and shaping a almond shape because it's difficult to be consistent. So in my online courses, I will be giving a detailed part on how to get your nails consistent, especially the almond nails or stilettos. I'm giving it in the perfection course, but also in the basic acrylic course. You don't have to be a beginner to get the basic acrylic course because I give literally all little informations. I give all the shapes and all of those good stuff. If you only want to just adjust a little things, you can go ahead for the perfection course, but the basic acrylic course is also really perfect for someone who is already in the nail game but just to want to perfect and know some tips and tricks. So I went ahead and get the nails buffed, and now I'm cleaning them with our Sani juice and brushing them again. And this is how they look after filing and shaping. Now I'm going in with these three colors. These are our yellow, pink, and orange painting gel. I've mixed them with some white paint and gel. And on the pinky, I'm painting a Frenchie, a yellow Frenchie. And girls, this nail set was just, I just did some designs. I didn't know what I was gonna do on all the nails. I wanted a flower on the middle finger, but I didn't have enough time, so I was just winging it as I go. But sometimes those sets are just the most beautiful ones. I really like the end result. But yes, just watch and see what I did on the other nails. On the thumb, I'm also going in for a Frenchie, but this time a pink one. So happy Mother's Day to all you great mamas out there. I want you to know that you are really appreciated. So that's why we have a 20% off the site-wide and also on the online courses. So go ahead and purchase your things on the website and also on the online courses. On the ring finger, I'm going in with our black painting gel and our overbrush. I'm just doing random strokes so I get that texture because the painting gel is really thick, so you can get like those strokes. Just be random and make it abstract and do your thing. when I'm done doing covering the nail, I'm going in with my liner brush to just clean the cuticle area and make it sharp at the cuticle area. And then I'm going in again with my oval brush to make more of a texture on the nails, and then I'm curing it under my lamp. When I'm done curing it, I'm going in with some gold chrome and to also get that texture on the ring finger. So first I'm going in with some top coat to cover this nail because I don't want it to be chipping while I'm doing the other nails. So that's why I'm going in with our glossy top coat to cover this nail. And next I'm going in with my airbrush and some yellow airbrush ink. Oh my god, I said yellow. No, I mean pink. I'm going in with my pink airbrush ink on the index finger and also on the Frenchie on the pinky to give that a little bit of effect. So I've used the pink airbrush on the pinky and the index finger and a yellow airbrush ink on the thumb. So now I'm going to line out the index finger a little bit abstract with the yellow mixture that we made with our yellow painting gel and mixed with our white painting gel. So now I'm topping off this nail with our special matte top coat. This one is not available on our shop yet, but it will be soon. On the pinky, I'm just using the glossy top coat again, and the thumb also the glossy top coat. I only use the matte top coat on the index finger because I want to go over with some chrome, and when you use the special matte top coat, it won't stick on the rest of the nail. So now on the pinky, when the nails are cured, I'm going in with our 3D gel. It's our 6-in-1 gel that will be online also soon. I'm going to do that like for the 3D nail design, and also on the thumb I've done that. On the index finger, I'm going now in with our black painting gel again and to draw some black dots, and now I've rubbed the chrome into it, and the chrome doesn't stick on the nail because of the matte top coat. So now I'm topping it off with some glossy top coat, and I wanted to do a flower on the middle finger, but I didn't have enough time, so I just went in with some orange airbrush ink, and I've cleaned the edges. I've topped it off with some top coat, and I'm using the 3D gel again to make some drops. So this is the end result, you guys. I love it. I think it came out cute. Love the color combination and all things, they just came together. Just love it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you have liked it. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know what you would like to see in my next videos, and let me know what you think about these videos. Subscribe, share, click the notification bell so you are the first one to know when I post the next time. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.